Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm going to show you our 71 Chevy K10. It come down from down in Iowa, is where we got it from. Looks like in 1993 or 92 and 3 it had park permits in Nebraska. So northern truck anyway. And windshield's been in there a long time. Good running driving truck. Paint is amateur, and when I mean amateur, I mean it. They just sprayed it just above spray can. You know, it's rough. Didn't do a lot of body work. Maybe was blue before they painted it blue. There you can see it's flaked off and how rough it is. So all it is painted the color. We did put a new seat cover in it. So there's a new seat cover. 4-wheel drive, 4-speed. Shows 851 miles, obviously not actual. Could be 108. They put 3-point harness in there. There you can see it's flaking off right there and there. So just don't, before you watch this video, if you looked at the pictures and you thought, boy, that paint's pretty good, it isn't. It isn't rusty, it doesn't appear to be, you know, but there's some mud in there, so body work was very marginal. Box got a couple bad spots in it right there and right there, and on both sides they did a little bit of metal work. So like I said, flaking off here. Homemade bumper, chipped off there. Like I said, you can't see any shine, just so you know. I don't want you to think it's better than it is. Runs, drives good. So just a nice affordable truck. You can see some more flaking off, so bad prep and just if you get blue in this color of spray cans, I'd say it's done in spray cans. But pretty solid truck. It isn't a rust bucket, and runs and drives good. Watch the running video and the driving video. 605-695-7391.